Now, the way I think about Harvard, and this may not be PC, I don't care. I think it's probably the easiest way to say it. Harvard's not for sale, and the world over should know that. And I've seen it time and time again, my experiences at the school. That search for the truth is one that is unwavering, and it's not going to stop. I try to really, really think about that in light of this study. And I think that is very important when you think about very personal data, very personal information, all tied in together. Let's let the data speak for itself. And unlocking that data requires each of the players to share that information so we all can, walk hand in hand and be able to understand what are the trends and how can we better our own lives and then those coming after us as well. And what can we look for towards the future, as well as how can this affect lives outside of NFL players? How can this affect the general population as well?